I wish I was more like nature. Her secret is patience.
That's right, nature is always patient and subtle.
MP. Money in potatoes.
Cathedral I click. Hey, that is not how you plant a tree. Don't let me die. Little Me Street. Which style of architecture does everyone prefer? Oh, it's Microsoft. This here is really cool. And it actually is in the direction where everything is. Yes! Many years ago, I decided to get a membership for these bikes, and I brought lots of friends down here. We all went cycling over the city, and we had this terrific day. And ever since then, I've learned many of them have renewed the license for themselves ever since. It's great to think that because of me, people are cycling, people are exercising, people are getting healthy. Cycling, honestly, if you can afford it, is much, much better than jogging. This is a pleasant, peaceful spot where everyone who works around here can come and relax and have their lunch. Hey. All these chairs have values or themes or words of inspiration, but they also have illustrations. Titanic, fish, joggers. There is some really creative displays here. A bee hotel. Now I've seen everything. But hey, the people who take care of this seem to be doing a terrific job, so I wouldn't argue at all with them. Oh, this here is a bee hotel, I think.
Yes, hello, my name is Paddy. I am an overly grown bee. Can I stay one night, please?
No joke, these are pointing exactly at the bee hotel. Many of us, including me, complain about modern art, but that back there is one solid job. Lots of little creative touches. Way to go, guys! On a lovely day like this, every shot just looks amazing. You will never hear a bad word from me about bees. I love those little guys. Fun fact, they actually sometimes take naps in flowers in the middle of their little garden tasks. See this here? That's where they keep the bad employees. I love this. It's a bright, lovely, sunny day, and I'm out exploring. Builders building, as always. The birds are singing away. Listen. Trespassing. There is a mad amount of construction around here, and there's builders everywhere. They are champions to me. They're more impressive than any celebrity. But many of my friends went to university, and they feel anyone who works with their hands or who works as a labourer is that's not a real job. Honestly, I believe what I read recently that Solon said in ancient Greece: anyone who works an honest job and provides for his family is a success. To me, however, builders, construction men, real men.